Hey guys, it's Cassandra with Prince George Ford, and we're here at the Pre-Owned Supercenter, and today we're having a look at this 2016 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim. This is powered by the 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. So plenty of power for you, but it's going to be an economical choice for a pickup. Got the Sport 4x4 package on here with the short box. Obviously you've got the towing hitch, fair amount of towing power with this truck, light trailers, that sort of thing. You'll see the XLT F-150 badging as well as the EcoBoost badging on the side. Do have the black side steps there for easy access to the cab. As we approach the door, you'll see it does have the keyless entry pad unit, so you use that to get into your vehicle. You can also use it to lock your vehicle so you're not having to mess around with your keys. Into the cab, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Great door storage in here. All the F-150s are great for that. You do have 6-way adjustable power seats. And this really nice, durable, classic black cloth interior. Easy to look after, not going to show stains. Just to the left here, you have your options for your headlights and your dashboard brightness, as well as your emergency brake or parking brake, which is electronic, and you do have the power assist pedal adjustments here, which is always nice. Gives you a more unique feel for your driving position. The sport console is great, giving you lots of storage options in between your passenger and your driver's seat. 2 cup holders in the back there for your passengers. And your center armrest opens up to a nice big console. So lots of storage options that way. Into the back, crew cab. You've got lots of legroom for your passengers here. These are also 60/40 folding splint benches, so you throw those up. You've got a little bit of storage underneath the seat there, and then you've got lots of room for luggage, cargo, that sort of thing. So having a look at our dash, bottom left hand corner there of your digital display, you'll see that we're sitting at 72,401 kilometers on this unit. Intuitive dashboard, so it's going to give you lots of different information, directions, fuel mileage, everything you need to know. Kilometers till empty. On your steering wheel, those are the buttons there to control those features. You do also have your cruise control just under there. On the right hand of the steering wheel, you have infotainment selections as well as Bluetooth, so everything's hands-free and safe for you. Over to our infotainment area. To the left here, you'll see you have your 4x4 options in a dial form, and just below that, your trailer backup assist. Nice big screen there for you. It is touch screen, and then there are manual buttons underneath to run your infotainment system. It also does serve as your backup camera with guidelines. Sorry, the glare there is really bad. There you go. Like I said, down below that is your infotainment settings, and then you have your heating settings as well. Heated seats for both your driver and your passenger with 3 different levels on that. Just below that, you have your 12-volt power source and 2 USB sections. This also does close, and it does have the MySync voice activation controls as well. So if this is a vehicle you'd be interested in taking for a test drive, you can give us a call, 250-563-8111, or pop on by and visit, and let's see what we can get you into today. Thanks for watching.